Hey viewers, what's up? This is Sajidz and you guys watching Sajidz Tech. So here in this video, I'm going to talking with about how you can change the font styles in your Android mobile phone. And everywhere of my mobile phone, you can see that I have already changed out my this font style there. And here you can also change those things, especially if you have a Xiaomi Redmi model mobile phone, or otherwise you can also use this method. So how you can do this in this video I'm going to talking with about. I'm Sajidz and you guys watching Sajidz Tech. Before just starting my that video, I request you, if you're not still now the subscriber of my channel, then please subscribe, and if you do so still now, so thanks a lot. Start my that video with you guys. Nowadays mobile phone there have an option called the theme, and from that theme you can change your wallpaper. You can set a theme in your mobile phone like that. Here I have just set out a theme in my mobile phone as iPhone 12, but here you can also change here the font styles too. So here how you can do this, in the most of the mobile phone you will get this themes option from there. So now go to in the themes from here, and from here go to in the fonts, and here after just getting a load there have a lot of fonts are there. You can see that these fonts are there, and from those things you can also select your font from there guys. And here it is guys, after selecting it, here all the fonts are free for you, and here from you can also search a font from here as you wish. So here after just getting those font from here, you need to go to here and click on that specific font from here. Suppose that here I just go to on that font, and here it is guys. It will take a bit time to get those things, and from here you need to download it for free. You can't download it without Wi-Fi. And now if you just click on the apply, that time it will be applied in your mobile phone, and here it is guys, your mobile phone will be rebooted there to make it here. Now if you just click on the reboot, that time it will be rebooted there, and this font will be set out there. And for that guys, your mobile phone will be take restart, and here it will be occurred there. But here I don't want to restart my mobile phone, and I am satisfied with this font, so I don't want to change this font there. And here you can see that also that here it's also applied in my this mobile phone in the YouTube too. So here from you can also set out this thing in your mobile phone in your phones, and here it is guys, it's really awesome. And here guys, I feel so sorry for those people who haven't this theme option in their mobile phone. And here I'll take another video how you can change your fonts in your Android mobile phone though you haven't any option. And here you needn't also to root your mobile phone. Without make rooting, you can also change your fonts there. So here it is guys, now it's your turn to change out there if you have a theme option in your mobile phone. And if you can also still now, then I request you please give a like that video, share this video with your friends, comment me below on this video guys. And no more today, we will meet in the next video. So till the end, take care, have a nice day.